So here we are. Let us start. It's our fifth lecture of a storage class. And in this lecture, we have this C program. With the help of this C program, we will understand what are the variables and values which is stored inside the static memory, and heap memory. Since in this entire code, we didn't use any kind of pointers. We didn't use malloc explicit functions like malloc, calloc, dalloc, or free. So therefore, the heap memory would be not used. It will use if the case will occur, such a case where stack is full, then the variables would used inside the heap memory. But here we have enough space, so therefore heap memory is not going to use. So let's start. The execution of program will start from the main function only. Here we have C. Here we have main function. This is our main function, and this is our function code. Sorry, all of these are our function code. So here we have one local variable. What is it? It's a local variable. In our first lecture, I had delivered local variable or R2 variable is stored inside the stack. So this z, the variable z is equal to 10 will store over here. Okay, and again what we are doing here, we have ABC function and we are passing 10 as a parameter over here. See, so here we have ABC function, and in this function we have k as a formal parameter, and again we have one auto variable, integer I is equal to 20. It is initialized. So again inside the stack we have one variable I is equal to 20. Since I am new user of Paired, so therefore I am unable to use it perfectly, but slowly I will work on it, and next time definitely I will work on code in efficient manner. So let's see. Here I is equal to 20 is also initialized. What will be happen for further? Here is equal to I is equal to I plus k. Okay, so what is I? I is 20 and k is nothing but 10. So 20 plus 10 is equal to what? 30. It is 30. Okay. Again I is equal to I plus 2 means 30. 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. And here printf is printing again. So what will be printed over here? Here we have 32. Okay. Again, since we had encounter with the curly braces, which means the function is terminated. So all of these things inside the stack will delete. The activation of this function will delete from the stack. Okay, so this one is completed. Now we will jump in this one. ABC again, it is calling again. So here we have 10 as a parameter, 10 as a variable which is passing inside the parameter of ABC. K again, K is initialized as equal to, again K is equal to 10. Okay, and also auto integer I is equal to 20. So I is also a 20. Remember, it is also a stack memory. This one is also stack memory. All of these things. See. So again, I plus k and I plus 2 will be executed, and 32 will be printed. 32. See. again 32. Okay, again it will call. Since it is also deleted from the stack, therefore there is no updation inside the value. Again this G will call, and again the value as a 32 will be printed. So in this time, it is calling printf percentage d z z. So value of z, would it update it? No, it would not update it, cause it is a call by value. It is not a call by reference. Inside the call by value, the values will be not changed. But in a reference, if we will call through the address, the value will be affected. See here I is equal to 10, so therefore the output would be 10. Okay, thank you very much. We'll see you in the next lecture.